Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis Autosports. We're going to do a quick recap on a XJ that we restored and built for a client. This Jeep started off bone stock. It was a black Jeep, if I recall correctly. Customer spec'd it out exactly how they wanted it. Obviously, completely brand new color change paint job. A lot of panels received body work. Some even were replaced. Every panel, every piece of glass completely removed off the Jeep, like we do with all of our color changes here at DAS. Customer wanted a relatively factory spec style Jeep. Factory as far as overall appearance, as far as suspension and body panels. Didn't want, aftermarket bumpers or anything like that at all. But the Jeep is very highly built. We have Dana 44 G2 rear axle in it, 410 or 456 gears, ARB lockers, slip yoke eliminator, upgraded front chromoly axle shafts, disc brakes, upgraded engine. I mean, just a ton of upgrades from a performance standpoint and a relatively stock setup Jeep. Every single component, from the cooling system to the engine, brake system, everything's been upgraded. We got 3 coats of base coat and 3 coats of clear, and then from there the clear was wet sanded with most likely 1,000 or 1,500 grit, and as you see, no orange peel, flawless paint as always. And with all of our paint jobs, new windshield, new seals, glass comes out. In addition to the exterior of the bodies, our paint wraps all the way around, so we remove the door panels, we remove the glass. There's no tape lines on the back side of this panel, so this paint wraps all the way around the entire panel into the jambs. All new weather stripping. There's not a single tape line on this Jeep. We spend just as much time prepping and sanding and post paint work on the jambs as we do with the exterior. Even the plastic flares, as you see, there's no orange peel. We build these up with filler primer because there is still a little bit of texture in these from the factory. So to get them as smooth as the metal, to see no difference between those, that just takes a lot of prep work. Same thing on the rear tailgate. Paint wraps all the way around. Paint wraps inside of the cab in all areas. You can see just how smooth the fit and finish is here. If you look at your factory paint on your factory Cherokees, it's very rough on the inside compared to the outside. If you look how flat the paint is here as well, we even wet sand and buff that after we paint it. From a suspension and drivetrain We did the JKS adjustable coilovers. That way the client can adjust the suspension all they want. If they want it lower, they have the ability to do that. We also have adjustable shackles on the back. The client was going back and forth the whole time. We were gonna do a fixed system. At first he wanted a 1-inch system, then a 2-inch. And then since we went with the Dana 44 rear and the extended gas tank, there wasn't enough clearance there. So we decided to do the adjustable system so that in the future, he can go any direction that he wants. So we do have the Dana 44. We have the upgraded fuel tank as well. And for clearance purposes with the 44, we had to go up a little bit more than we set out to for this exact setup for him. So that gives him the flexibility in the future to adjust the suspension in the front and the rear. Upgraded disc brakes in the front, upgraded brakes in the back as well. Take a look through here, upgraded triple row all aluminum radiator. We ended up doing the front axle with Yukon chromoly axles as well. All Fox shocks all the way around. I mean, literally everything's been upgraded on this thing, top to bottom. There's nothing underneath this Jeep that isn't upgraded and new. Inside the engine, we have our DAS engine as well. All the upgrades that you can think of, all done on the engine bay. New AC system. There's nothing on this Jeep that is original by any means. A few little odds and ends that we still have to do. We did all the inserts to match the inserts of the seats as well. All colors chosen by the client. We did the steering wheel with the matching blue stitch, full upgraded sound system, Alpine throughout, navigation, backup camera, all sorts of goodies. We also did a power inverter. We built up all the foam in the seats as well, so the bolsters up front, even in the rear, have all been done. Between the gears that are in this thing, the upgraded engine, this thing really scoots going down the road as well. We do have dual heated seats up front. So that's it, guys. If you guys have any questions about any of our future builds, this is a 2-door that we're building right now that's coming up to market. These are not the wheels and tires that are going on this. These are just rollers. It's a pretty lengthy build that we're doing. Full long arm. Everything's been done to this as well. We painted it. We're actually wet sanding the paint right now, which we do on all of our paint jobs once we're done. We're also doing the full interior as we speak. That's a Jeep we're doing for a client. That's a client's Jeep, and that red one over there is a client's Jeep. We do have 2 that we're bringing to market right now. If you're interested, give us a call at 855-XJ-JEEPS. You can also reach us. We'll leave all of our social media stuff in the description as well. But you can visit our website at davisautosports.com. Thank you.